In this video, you will learn how to replace assigned resources with standby resources. This timesheet is printed from EMS, and shows all poll officials assigned to the returning office. Poll officials assigned to the returning office are on standby, and must be paid whether they are assigned to a poll or not. Poll officials must sign a timesheet for the time spent on standby, and hand it to the recruitment officer. If they are deployed to a poll, they are manually added to the bottom of the timesheet for that poll. This means a poll official might show up on two timesheets. One at the returning office for the time spent awaiting deployment, and one at a location where they were deployed for the rest of the day. The finance officer must pay attention to the timesheets to ensure that the payments are not doubled, meaning the hours worked on one timesheet does not include hours worked on the other. When entering their hours in EMS, combine the hours from both timesheets into a single value. This has been How to Replace Assigned Resources with Standby Resources.